Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today is a quick follow-up video from my video from last week where I share with you my setup of the Aura Estelle Cloud Pocket Planner, which I'm using as a wallet. And during the video I share with you how I just basically hole punched through these Simply Gilded stickers, and I have basically accidentally cut through the first row of stickers because honestly, most of the time I just do things I don't even think about it, and I just thought, hey, great idea, let's just put them in there, and didn't realize at first that I was gonna cut through the stickers. And since then I received a lot of messages and suggestions, so I want to thank you all, and I wanted to share basically my solution to that problem, which is basically using washi tapes. And so by using washi tape, you'll be able to create a little border that you can just hole punch, and then you can insert, use the stickers in your pocket size planner. And of course you can use them in different style of planners. You just have to use a different hole puncher setting. Now, as you can tell, I am using two different sizes of washi tape, and I am going to explain to you why right away. So here's an example of a variety of stickers. These are all from Simply Gilded, but as you can tell, if you look closely at the edge, you can see that there's a variety basically of margin that's left between where the sticker ends and where the edge of the sticker sheet is. So for example, if we are trying to hole punch something like this script sticker sheet, there's a lot of room here. So I can put my washi tape as close as I want to the sticker and have a nice margin, and this will not be an issue at all. The washi tape will be very secure. But if I try to hole punch this type of sticker where there's barely any margin left, then if you do not attach it properly, basically what happens is that by turning the pages back and forth, or just like the simple handling of your planner, the washi tape can just detach. So for that reason, I decided to use a 10mm, which I will be attaching as close to the edge of the sticker on this end, and then on the back side I'm gonna put a 15mm. The 15mm will clearly overlap, I'm just gonna overlap, and that way I will have more room and I will secure the washi to the back, and so then will basically be sturdier and you'll have less issues. Now to do this, again, we're gonna need a hole puncher. I have this hole puncher from Amazon. It's a Rapesco brand, and it has the pocket size holes. Then you're gonna need some scissors. You can also use actually this type of hole puncher if you don't have one of those, but it's little, it's less convenient. And then a 10mm and a 15mm washi tape. And so I'm gonna use this the sticker sheet that I showed you because it has very, very little, and I'm gonna get as close as I can. So the point is to try and get as close to the edge of the sticker without overlapping it. So once you want to remove your sticker, you are good. And then in the back, also because the closest you are to the sticker, it also creates less of a border, and yet by having less of a border, it'll stick out less once it's in your planner. And then I'm gonna overlap it here with my 15mm. Then I'm gonna get my scissors out and then cut this edge. So super easy, and I'm sure other people, I'm thinking actually that I don't know why I haven't done this before, and then you're just gonna insert this in your little hole puncher. Then we're punching it, and we got a nice little cut. And as you can tell, it did not ruin any of the stickers. So then I can just open up my planner and then put it in. And there you go. And again, it depends. These folders were these dashboards were a little short, but in general, probably if you want them to match, just kind of like match them to the to the size of your dashboard. It doesn't bother me that they're peeking out. I would actually probably put them behind this this folder here that I have, because that way they're hidden all the way inside. Actually, let me show you how it's done, just because I like things to look neat in my planner. So I'm probably gonna put them back here. This was my little photo holder. See, there we go. Now they're disappeared. Now I'm happy. So I hope you like this little quick update on the little project. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a DM at PlanningFancy, and I answer all questions and all messages there. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.